Welcome to another episode of... Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode. Oh my gosh. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of NPF TV. Today we're going to be showing you how we do O-ringing on blocks. We have one of our customers' blocks here that we've already done a closed deck CNC operation on the block, and we are now ready to cut it for some copper O-rings. So stick around and check it out. Alright, so the first one is done, and the groove width has to match the wire width. There is a calculation that we do for the right amount of pinch, but this is just an old carbide end mill that I actually kind of cut open here and ground and shaped to what I needed it to do, to kind of match the, like I said, the diameter and the pinch that I'm looking for on the wire and how much protrusion of the wire sticks out of the deck. So we're going to rinse and repeat, do this process on the other side, and show you the wire going in. Alright, so what we have here is just some regular copper wire. Specifically, this is 16 gauge wire, something that you would find in Home Depot or like Lowe's or your hardware store for like hanging like picture frames and things like that around the household. And what we want to do, and what we have to make sure we keep in mind, is that this edge is usually pinched and stretched, and it's not very square. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to square the end off, and then we're going to start tapping it into the block. Another important thing to remember when you're installing one of these copper O-rings is that the area where the rings butt, where they actually come around and meet each other, typically you want that to be closest to a stud or a head bolt. In our case, this is going to be a studded block. So we're going to make sure that the butt end of the wire actually join on right where this stud would be, up in this upper corner here of the block. So I'm going to fast forward this part, but I'm going to square it off, and I'm going to start tapping it in all the way around, cut it off, and then face the other end until we have a perfect join. Got the kick. There we go. Some of the things that, or one of the reasons why we do this, is the O-ring will add clamping pressure in a concentrated area on the head gasket, and what that's really good for is things like higher boost, or if you don't have 14mm head studs, or even sleeves. The protrusion is what does that, the protrusion being the stick out above the deck surface, and being that it's copper to a steel, what's going to give is going to be this copper ring. It's actually going to compress slightly, take any shape mismatch that you may have, and just overall give you a better seal. So if you guys have any other questions or want to see any other videos, definitely let us know in the comments below. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.